Yeah, yes. Yesterday, half of the pendulum assignment is over. So today, we're trying to finish the whole thing. Okay, all right. So as per the given ladder, we placed all the pendulum poses. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 13 frames. Gave. So next, the pendulum from left to right, right to left continuously should swing. Okay, that is looping action. So to get the same action, you have to complete the remaining half cycle. For that, what I am doing here, so already the one side pendulum poses are there, so I am copying in reverse mode. Okay, so here this is, so left to right, this action is left to right. Okay, so I'll lock this. So over on that, create another layer, give right to left, right to left. Okay. So now click on the 13th frame. Okay, so that means this is pose 2. At pose 2, 13th frame is there. From 13 again it is coming down. Okay, so your 12 will be 14th. Okay, so the same thing here we are planning. So already 13th are there, so you can copy this 12th frame, copy this, and here at 14th paste. Okay, paste, and in properties panel give the name 14, right, 14, and on the onion skin, so then the previous frames visibility available. Okay, so these poses layer and path of action, so you can extend up to 25. So pressing shift, select these two layers and insert frame. Okay, right. Now give the name, this is 13 and here it is, this is press Alt and make the duplicate of this. Okay, here instead of 13 give name 14. Okay, and choose the color red. Okay, this is that 14. Okay, so 13, 14. So next for 15 you can copy the 11th frame, so copy frames and at 15th paste frame. Okay, right. So give this name 15. Okay, can duplicate this by pressing Alt, duplicate this and rename this as 14, sorry 15. 14 already is or 15. Right. Then again copy the 10th frame, right click and choose copy and come here, paste frames, okay, and change this name as 16. Yes, 16. The same thing here, give the name 16. Good. Next copy the 9th frame, so right click, copy frames, and this area right click and paste frames. So this is actually 17. Okay. At ladder area also you can change the name, instead of 16 it is now 17. Yes, right. Now the next, you have to copy this 8th frame. Just copy this, copy frames. At 18th area right click and paste frames. Perfect. So properties, at name area give the number 18. Right. So at ladder area also you can give the name by duplicating that. This is 18. Perfect. Next, so now select the 7th number, copy that frame, again copy frames. At 19th area paste frames, and from properties this is breakdown or passing position. Okay, so number wise it is 19th, but this is breakdown or passing position. It is actually breaking the action between two keyframes. That is why we are saying as breakdown or passing position, but number wise it is 19th. Right. The same thing here, drag this and give the name. So here it is 19. Perfect. Yes, next now copy the 6th frame, right click and copy frames, paste at 20th frame, right click and paste frames. Okay, yes, this is 20. Perfect. So the same name we are giving for the ladder also. Yes, this is 20. Right. Then again instead of 6 here you can choose 5th. So copy the 5th frame, copy, and at 21st right click and paste frames. Right. So name here 21. Perfect. So give the same name at ladder. So this is 21. Excellent. Then again come to fourth frame. Click on the fourth frame, right click and copy, and at 22nd paste frames, and give the name here 22nd. Right. So here give the name here 22nd. Good. Next click on the third frame. So third frame, right click on that and copy frames, and again at 23rd paste frames. Okay, and here give 23rd. Perfect. And at ladder also we are giving the same. Right. Excellent. Now choose the second one. So right click on that, copy again, copy frames, and at 24th right click and paste frames, and here give the name 24th, and at ladder also give same name. Right. Perfect. Next the last one is 1. Okay, so here 1 is acting as 25th frame. Okay, so not required to copy and paste again, because if you copy and paste the same frame can add into 2 times. Okay, so not required that frame again copying. So instead of the 25th we are keeping the same number 1 only, so that after 24th it is connecting to 1. So 1 is acting as 25th. Yes, from 1 to 13 half cycle, and 13 to and again 24th remaining half cycle. So these 2 half cycle you can combine them, so that you will get complete the motion of the pendulum. Okay, then to check the animation, press Ctrl Enter. Now see this pendulum action. Somewhere it is blinking, so there is a color problem, might be. Up to 24. Let's check this. So you can switch on the loop, so you'll get the continuous action. Yeah, these two frames, suppose here the poses layer and path of action layer extended one layer extra, so you can remove this two. Yes, now you can check this by control enter. Yes, perfect. So your pendulum is continuously swinging left to right and right to left. So this is actually loop animation. Excellent. Okay, so next we are giving the shades actually, because the pendulum is a metal object, so we are trying to give the same, the metallic effect. So because it's already converted into symbol, so give one pendulum, then automatically it will apply for all the other poses. So you can double click on that. Okay, double click on that and choose your color. Suppose here I am giving a gradient color. Okay, so instead of solid color, choose your radial gradient. Perfect. So you can change the colors. Yes. So come from the symbol lighting mode. So there is a right arrow, just click on that. Okay, so you are coming from the symbol lighting mode. Now you can check this. So this gradient color already applied to entire all frames. So you can change the stage color also, because on white it's not looking good. Yes, you can make this. Yeah, I'm giving suppose black. Now we can check the control enter. Yes, so better to change again this color. Suppose here I am giving some metallic object. Yes, that's perfect. Now change this color into white. Yes, white. Now come from the symbol lighting mode, just click on the right arrow, automatically you are coming from symbol lighting mode. Now check the action, control enter. Now see this. Yes, beautifully your pendulum is swinging from left to right and right to left. Okay, yes, beautiful. So then control S, because your path is including in your final animation. If you don't want to see that, okay, click on the path layer and right click on that and make guide. So it is not coming in final animation. Now you can check, control enter. Yes, suppose there again. Yes, do the same for this layer also, right click and guide, then control enter again. Yes, this is swinging nicely. Okay, beautiful. So this is name this layer pendulum action. Pendulum action. Pendulum animation, otherwise NIMATION, pendulum animation. Yes. So in yes. This is a pendulum animation, and again control enter and observe this action. Right, perfect. Control S. Okay, so this is pendulum action, pendulum animation. After finalizing your pendulum action, so we have to add the some string like some thread. If you connect the thread to the pendulum, so pendulum is swinging continuously left to right and right to left. So then how the string can behave along with your main pendulum, your string also can move. Okay, your thread also continuously can move with your main pendulum. Okay, that is follow through of the object. Okay, so that I'll explain in the next assignment, in the next class. Okay, you can plan your pendulum, you can design your pendulum and prepare your ladder also. So ladder is nothing but continuous frames. Okay, it is showing in ladder, but actually ladder means what? The frames one by one, how you are displaying, how you are arranging your frames, the same way we are using in the ladder also. Suppose here it is one first pose, and this is second pose, the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, this is at seventh, it is breakdown or passing position. So breakdown is nothing but this is breaking action, is a very important frame between these two key poses. Okay, then after 7, the 8th frame, it is in betweening. Okay, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 is your pose 2. Okay, after 13th again it is coming back. So from one direction to another direction, left to right and right to left, your pendulum is swinging continuously. So the same reason we are copying and pasting all the frames in reverse direction. So we are changing the names only. Okay, instead of for 12th, the 4th will come. We are renaming that. Okay, and again 15, 16 and 17, the other frames are follows. Okay, and at 19th frame, your 7 frame is copying and pasting at 19th frame. So here this is acting as again breakdown or passing position. Then again this is 20, in between again 21, 22, 23 and 24. Okay, these are the frames. So total your pendulum is swinging in 1 second. Within 1 second, pendulum swinging continuously 1 to 14 and 14 to 25th. Here 25th means 1 again. Okay, check your final action by pressing Control Enter. So you observe your the whole animation without your thread. Simply you are operating pendulum animation only. In the next class I'll explain you how to add the string or thread to the pendulum. Okay, so this is follow through of the main object. Okay, you plan your pendulum. So do this, and if you have any doubt, ask. Thank you.